guys, my name is Paul Brun. Welcome back to the Bavarian Corner, and I am at a design studio out in Snow Station Road, and the design studio is called Mariclaro, and it's owned by, introduce yourself.
Sven Schlegel.
Okay, and where are you from? And
well, I'm originally from Germany, and yeah, moved to Canada around 2007, and since 2008 we work with reclaimed, repurposed material, and mostly from automotive, from cars. So yeah, we source old interiors and turn them into all kind of bags, accessories, wallets, etc. And each piece comes with the story of the car.
Okay. And I should ask you, since you've moved here and in Canada, how is business going for this kind of
it's well, there are two different sides, like one or two different people that like to purchase those items. Like car enthusiasts, which is clear, and other ones are like people that like sustainable design. So yeah, it's good.
Okay. And yeah, that's one of the reasons. That's one of the things I'm doing with the interior of my car, is I'm actually taking the good pieces of leather that were in the back seat, the side bolsters, the seat backs, and I'll be making, and I'm going to keep this a secret for now, I'm going to be making some items for my family for Christmas, but I'm not going to tell you what it is in case they actually see the video. So I'm going to keep that a secret, but we'll see how it turns out in about, how long?
5 weeks.
5 weeks? So yeah, we will take another trip out and do sort of an unveiling of the products to see what came out of the pieces that were reclaimed. So this pretty much sums up the trip. It was pretty short. This will probably be one of the shortest videos I will upload.
1 week later.
Well, I am back to visit Mariclaro. Shopify is doing a story on the design center, and they invited me back out to talk with them about my project car, the 325i. So I'm just going to be doing a behind the scenes of what Shopify will be doing today. This is about a week after I dropped off my leather, and Sven, the owner, ended up contacting me saying that Alex from Shopify will be doing a story on them. So they should be here at around noon, and I'll be meeting with them, doing some shots with their camera, and talking about my project. So unfortunately I can't vlog the actual interview, but hopefully I will be able to get enough footage to add to my ongoing vlog about Mariclaro, and we'll get to see what happens at the end of the day. Hopefully I will get a chance to see the footage and see the actual video documentary once it is published. But here's hoping that it's going to be a good one. And I'm in the country right now. There's plenty of flies, which I'm not used to, but yeah, this is going to be an interesting day for sure. Hey guys, I am just driving down to Mariclaro Studios right now. So I have no idea what to expect from this video shoot, but I'll take any excuse to actually go for a ride out in the country. Today is a beautiful day. It's overcast. It's just before the BMW Club dinner at where am I going with this? BMW Club evening event at Portland, Ontario at the Galley. So here we are. I don't think they're back yet, as I can see. The truck is gone. But yeah, this is the studio right here. as you can see, right? Can I actually? Yeah, I think that's best, but I am going to just park right across the way and wait for them. Yeah, as you can see, he lives right on the water, and he borders both the Mississippi on his front yard and his backyard as well. Just showing up right here. And there's Sven. They just did the first part. Hello, hello!
Good seeing you again.
Yeah, likewise. Can't believe I am back.
Let's go fast. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, thanks for coming.
And there's the Shopify team right here. Hey.
How you doing?
Doing all right. My name's Paul.
Great to meet you. Thank you for coming out. I appreciate it.
And you're Alex?
Yes, Alex, and this is Taylor.
Taylor, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You're gonna be on the Bavarian Corner, guys.
What's going on? How you doing?
Hey. Look at the size of the... Well, that's some serious vlogging gear right there.
It's a nice camera.
Yeah.
What do you have?
This is the Sony A6500.
Okay.
But yeah,
You got the road video
when you're pros, you get all this stuff here.
Taylor has a drone too, so she was getting some great shots today too. Have you seen the Mavic?
Oh yeah.
DJI Mavic Pro?
Oh, that's one of...
Yeah.
That's on my shopping list.
Yeah,
but
I know.
Not yet.
It's a beauty.
So yeah, they're just setting up for the interview process, and I have no idea what the questions are going to be, but I'm assuming it's all about my car. Oh yeah, and this is Sven's Mercedes. We gotta get him into BMW. Yeah. This is, if I recall, I am thinking this is an E-Class.
Yes.
Right.
E-Class, no. Badges off. E3 something?
Oh, 320.
E320? What year?
95. Yeah, was the last year to produce.
Yeah. Yeah. The 90s Mercedes, yeah. They're not like the ones today. These are actually solid cars. My parents used to have a C-Class Mercedes, and it was a solid car. The new ones, some are good. The only ones I would ever consider buying would be the probably the AMG series. The AMG Benzes are absolutely stunning, but I personally wouldn't get any of the other kind of Mercedes that they sell. But yeah. And as you know, this is my original, this is my X3. So, the interview went very well. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you guys the interview, but I will link to it once it's actually up on Shopify website. Now we're moving indoors, and we're actually going to be doing some video shooting between Sven and myself. It was It was actually quite amusing sitting right by the street because we had an 18-wheeler zoom right behind me, which just produced a whole cloud of dust right behind me, and flies kept attacking me. So it'll be interesting to see all the outtakes, and hopefully I'll get all these outtakes from these guys so I can add sort of an outtake vlog from the interview process. So that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, but now we're setting up for the indoor shots between Sven and myself. Yeah, I just wanted to show you some of these products here. So take a look at this. We've got leather. These are like the laptop bags, which you can create, or which he can make for you. So if you have old leather, as you can see, there's focus there. This laptop bag comes from a 1997 Volvo S70. So you can actually see it uses belt buckles from the car itself. This one may not be the Volvo belt buckle, but definitely looks like it. Then there's different kinds of bags you can get. You can get duffel bags. There's wallets right here you can get made, or you can just buy off the website. Purses, passport holders. You can probably even get leather belts right here. So this all gets produced from inside this design studio. There's some materials for the laptop bags. There's some stencils for some of the products that he makes. And this is his view. And they did get a Business Innovation Award. This is the material from my car. Right here. This all came from the back seat. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what this turns into. Great. So there you go, that's the leather. I'll be back in about 4 or 5 weeks to see the finished products, but let's check out what Shopify's doing in his basement. Of course, I wish I had 3 hands.
What?
3 hands. One to hold coffee, camera. One. So which way are we going? Through the door?
Yes. Did I show you this downstairs?
No, I didn't.
Hello. So, did Beth leave? Like the girl?
I have no idea.
Well, let me find out here. Where is that? Do you have to sit down? Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, it's official.
Wow, this is where all the other magic happens.
Yes.
In this basement.
So cool.
Yeah, of course. Just a bit. It's good.
It's for me?
There you go. Ooh. Let there be light. So this is where they will be doing Sven's interview. Unfortunately, I won't be around to actually see that happen because I have to head back to Ottawa. But this entire production will be on the Shopify social media site. When do you suspect it's going to be available?
Probably in a couple months, but I will
So before
send you the link for sure.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
before September, like Labor Day weekend or something
in
like
the
that.
fall sometime.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So, I will be on top of that. Once they send me the link, I am going to push that on my social media sites to actually you'll get to see my pretty face on their website. So yeah. That's a wrap for today. Stay tuned for more videos on the Bavarian Corner as I continue my restoration, and we'll be back here in 5 weeks to see Sven and see what he produced from the material in my cart. Peace out.